Oh, hey guys. Isn't today a wonderful day?
Yeah, I guess it is.
Oh, and look at that blue sky.
Oh.
The birds are chirping.
Oh.
Ah, that warm country air.
You want to know what I smell? A giant pile of bullshit.
Today, fellas, is going to be the best day ever.
I don't know about you guys, but my day sucks.
Yeah, mine too.
Mine 3?
Oh, come on, guys. Let's make lemons out of lemonade. Let's make mushes out of airplanes. I think today's the most awesome day ever.
Choo choo! I like trains.